Every $100 bill begins with something surprisingly simple: cotton. Special machines harvest only the finest cotton fibers. The raw cotton begins its journey. Here, ordinary cotton starts becoming cotton extraordinary. Every impurity must disappear. Disappear. U.S. currency from cotton and linen. The fibers become a powerful blend. Water transforms fibers into currency paper, Massive machines create continuous sheets. A hidden security thread is embedded forever. A hidden security thread is embedded forever. The famous watermark appears inside the paper. The sheets are slowly dried. Every sheet is carefully inspected. Now the first colors are printed. The iconic color comes alive. Benjamin Franklin appears. Special ink changes color under light. The blue ribbon protects counterfeiters. Every note receives its unique identity. Official seals confirm authenticity. Powerful cameras check every detail. Even the smallest defect means huge sheets become individual notes. Notes are bundled for shipment. Millions of dollars wait inside secure vaults. Armored vehicles transport the nation's money. From the factory to banks across America.